Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I'd like to show you how you can use your Command mobile app, the one you sign in as an agent, to actually share your branded team consumer mobile app link. Now that's a mouthful, but this is the link that you're going to share is the one that you would share with consumers so that they can look up properties, they can ask you for showings. It also gives you Big Brother access so that you can see which listings they are favoriting, which ones they are even viewing at that point. But you can share the one that's actually branded for your team, not just you as an individual agent. And you can do this all through the Command mobile app, which is the one you sign into as an agent. So you can see it right here in the top left-hand corner of your screen, red background, white KW. So first, just go ahead and open the Command mobile app. Now, if you haven't logged in some time, you may need to go ahead and enter your Command username and your Command password at this point. It will require a Command MFA code, the verification code it sends to your recovery email. So make sure to enter that. And once you do, you will be brought here to your Command dashboard. Now from here, just choose your name in the top left-hand corner. It doesn't matter if you have a check mark beside your personal account or beside your team account. You can just simply come to this menu and choose Share My KW App Link from the drop-down menu. From here, it will ask which one you want to share. Now, you'll notice for here, it says My Personal App Link is the one selected. That's the one that would show you branded as an individual agent, just you by yourself. And anybody that signs into that app link, that lead will actually populate within your Command contacts in your personal account. So we're going to go ahead and choose the top option, My Unique Dream Team App Link. Now this does show you as the agent. However, it includes your dream team or your team branding so that you see the team name, team logo, things like that. And anyone that signs up using this link, that leads information will actually populate directly into your team account within Command and have you assigned as the agent already. So it's really great for lead retention, for you being able to capture your own leads and getting to keep them instead of them going into like a general pool for your team. So now that we've selected My Unique Dream Team App Link, you can click Continue in the top right-hand corner. It will populate certain options you can see on my mobile device that now it gives me the option to share this link by text, Messenger, Gmail, AirDrop, and lots of other options. So you would go ahead and choose whichever method you would like and share away. The person that receives that link will be prompted to download the KW Consumer Mobile app on their mobile device. And once they do, they will see you as their agent. It will already be branded to you as you, the agent, with the team branding. If you have any questions about this or any of your KW platforms, feel free to reach out to us via email. And our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com. And we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.